During these challenging times, Absolute Science and Ethics for Schools have joined together to help you provide high-quality remote learning tools that teach science and character development at a price you choose. We are offering you over 60 fun and educational videos and print materials with full science shows, workshops, games, and songs running from 2 to 45 minutes, as well as full character education lesson plans with complete support materials. You can see examples on our websites. Please visit ethicsforschools.com or absolute-science.com. Find out more about this wonderful teaching opportunity. Contact Rick Eugene Brammer at 309-945-3414 or email him at rebrammer@mediacombb.net. Our Facebook page is Absolute Science at Absolute Science 123.